welcome to my new YouTube channel. My name's Richard and I run a business called RMC Classics Limited, and we specialise in cars and bikes from the 50s, 60s and 70s. On the channel I'm hoping to share with you what we get up to on a day-to-day basis, everything from major mechanical restorations down to more minor jobs, events that we attend, and also the running and maintaining of my own fleet of cars and bikes. We've got quite an interesting project coming in this week. It's a 1955 Austin Healey 104. It's been standing for about 15 years, so it's going to require quite a lot of mechanical restoration and recommissioning. It's quite an interesting one though, because it's a car that my dad actually owned in the 1960s and he restored it back then. So it'll be quite nice to kind of have it back in the family for a little while. Anyway, I'm looking forward to sharing that with you. So today we're out and about in Meg, my 1967 MGB GT Mark 1. She was christened Meg for obvious reasons. I've actually owned the car for about 15 years now. It was my first car on the road when I was 17. I bought it and it'd been off the road for quite a few years, I think since about 1977. Anyway, I fully rebuilt it and yeah, enjoyed it. I covered about 60 or 70,000 miles in the first 4 years of ownership. It's a great, reliable car. I've rebuilt it again since to a better standard, and yeah, we've used it quite extensively. It's been to Italy and back. So you can expect to see a lot more of Meg in future videos, as well as my other fleet of cars and bikes, which include a Lancia Stratos Replica, a Vincent Black Shadow, my girlfriend's Alpha GTV, and I've got a Lancia Ypsilon as well. So yeah, quite an eclectic taste really. Yeah. So if this sounds like the sort of thing that you might be interested in, subscribe, comment, like and share, and you'll be seeing a lot more very soon. Thanks for watching.